Did you know that most Windows users make the same mistakes every single day? Some of these mistakes can slow down your computer, reduce your security, or simply waste your time. In this video, I'll show you 5 common Windows mistakes and, more importantly, how to fix them. Let's begin. Number 1. Downloading software from random websites. When you search for a program online, you'll often find dozens of websites offering a download. The problem is that many of them include fake download buttons, unwanted software, or even malware. Instead, download programs from the developer's official website whenever possible. Number 2. Ignoring Windows updates. You can check for updates by opening Settings, then Windows Update. Many people postpone updates because they don't want to restart their computer. While updates can sometimes introduce small issues, they usually contain important security fixes, performance improvements, and bug fixes. Keeping Windows updated helps protect your computer and keeps everything running smoothly. Number 3. Leaving too many startup apps enabled. Does your PC take forever to start? Startup apps are often the reason. Many programs automatically launch every time Windows starts, even if you rarely use them. Open Task Manager. Select the Startup Apps tab and disable the programs you don't need running automatically. Your computer should start much faster. Number 4. Letting your storage fill up. A nearly full drive can affect your computer's performance. Delete files you no longer need, empty your recycle bin, and remove old installers. You can also enable Storage Sense in Windows. It automatically removes temporary files and helps keep your storage under control. Number 5. Not using keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can save you a surprising amount of time. Here are a few useful ones. Windows plus E opens File Explorer. Windows plus Shift plus S opens the Screenshot tool. Windows plus V opens your clipboard history. Windows plus D shows your desktop, and Windows plus L instantly locks your computer. Learning just a handful of shortcuts can make using Windows much faster. Those were 5 mistakes that many Windows users make every day. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Windows tips and free software recommendations.